Talking about back to school, but there's still plenty of summer left, Adam. We're talking temps still in the 90s. August is not letting go just yet.
No, it's not. Only a couple of more days, and the last two probably are going to be really hot again, where we're going to be up near 90 degrees for tomorrow and for Wednesday. Now, today's high, 85 degrees, not too far away from that record high back in the year of 1974 for the date, which was at 91. But we were very comfortable and seasonal this morning, down to 56. There were even a few 40s to start off early this morning. Not going to be the case the next couple of mornings, as that warmer air mass is now beginning to take shape and take hold, and that will lead to heat advisories here for Tuesday and for Wednesday, starting up at noon and lasting until 9 p.m. on Wednesday. Now, that does not extend quite as far north as what we had last week, so Skagit and Whatcom counties, we're going to be in the clear on this one. Right now, sitting at 73, so not really cooling down all that much. There is a pretty nice breeze, though, coming in at 10 miles per hour for the time being. Temperatures mainly 70s across Puget Sound and over the Kitsap Peninsula. 67 right now in Arlington, 62 in Friday Harbor, and then 60s out along the coast, where we're going to be even dealing with the heat again tomorrow, just like we saw the 80s this afternoon. Satellite and radar picture all quiet, and we're going to keep things really quiet as high pressure continues to build here across more of the western United States, and including here across western Washington. That's going to keep all the active weather, a lot of the cloud coverage up into southeast Alaska and into British Columbia, while down this way we're talking about those possible 90s again, which we've been keeping an eye out for our last 90-degree day to punch us up into that #1 spot and to tie us with a mark back in 2015 of seeing 12 days of the 90s or above. We've been holding on to 11 with the past couple of times that we've been close, with highs only in those upper 80s at 88 and 89 degrees. I know it's probably not a record we want to set, but here as we go into the night, we'll have a few clouds. We'll go on into the day tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Nothing but sunshine out there, seeing plenty of sun, but the clouds moving in from more of a south to north direction. Now, we don't see many clouds throughout the day out along the coast tomorrow, but by the time we head into Wednesday, we start to see a few more. Why? Onshore flow. That will begin to return, and that's going to help to cool things down Wednesday for the coast. And it may end up being the case where Wednesday might be maybe even slightly cooler than what we are noticing on tomorrow, as we'll have a little more of that onshore flow returning, especially for the Olympic Peninsula. We'll see what happens here across Puget Sound, but we are calling that to be the hottest day of the week, with a few possible mountain storms, but definitely cooler by the time we head into the holiday weekend.